Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Arnaz and today I have created this blue monotone makeup look. So without further delay, let's begin. I will first prime my eyelids with my NYX Eyeshadow Primer Base. This will help to hold the eyeshadow for longer duration. I will be using the Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette and take this dark blue shade with a dense flat brush and press it very close to my lash line. Then I'll take the light blue eyeshadow with a fluffy brush and start blending at the edges. Sometimes two shades become a little difficult to blend due to its composition. What you can do is take a transition shade and with a fluffy brush, blend it in a circular motion into the crease. We can always go back and deepen the eyeshadows. Now I'll go back to the dark blue shade and just press it over my lids. Taking the lighter blue shade, I will again blend the two shades together, moving towards the crease. I will diffuse the edges near the crease with a transition shade. Next, I'll take a lighter blue eyeshadow with a flat brush and apply it near the inner corner of the eye. With a clean brush, I will diffuse the edges to remove any harsh lines. If there is any fallout, I'll clean the under eyes using a concealer. Next, with a pencil brush, I will smoke out the lower lash line with the blue eyeshadow and diffuse the edges with a clean brush. I'll deepen the lower lash line with a short flat brush and apply some white eyeliner for a soft diffused look. Lastly, I'll take my highlighter to highlight my inner corner of the eye and the brow bone. I'll finish the look with some mascara and lashes. Here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday. Until then, have an amazing week.